Hi, my name is Cyning Meadowcroft. I'm here today to talk about Cruck construction. Cruck construction is basically two halves of a split, bent, arched tree, typically an oak. This construction, in fact, to be more specific, starts from the apex and will follow all the way down to a foundation, whether that foundation be above dirt level in a barn or the top of the foundation of a floor. So from apex to foundation. We're not talking about foundation that comes up 8 feet to a living area. We are talking about the floor level, whether it be a dirt level, as I say, for a barn, or an inhabitable area, typically where the floor is on the foundation. So foundation, apex, not interrupted in any way from A to B. And then a tie beam, which typically will follow through to carry a wall and common and principal rafters. Hence the expression, the crux of society, meaning everything sits upon. So yes, this is a crook, 1 blade, 2 blade. Typically they are found on the edge of a forest where they would lean out to more light from the forest, and so therefore you have this perfect crook construction. And when you take the tree in its bent state and you halve it, you will end up with a perfect symmetrical arch, very much like the Gothic arch. So, which to this day people don't know where the Gothic arch originated from, but the crook construction is for sure around the 9th, 10th century in England, which is interesting to see that this arch is very Gothic-like. As you can see up on this one, this is the best uniformed crook that I have in the hall. If you look from base to apex, there's very Gothic looking like, as does the ones at Rivington in England, northern England. That crook is 27 foot tall, this one is 33 feet tall and 30 foot wide.